Rain Dean sent me his new product, the HalfMoon, to try it out and to create somewhat of an instructional video on how to go through and install this thing. So a couple things to take note of as you're taking this out of the packaging and looking at what's come. There's a case for it to roll up into. There are 2 stacks of hook and loop Velcro. And let me define something here right before I get beyond that. Velcro is defined by hook and loop, okay? The hook is the gritty, rough part, okay, of that tape. And the loop is that kind of carpety, more softer feel, all right? Now the loop is already sewn into the HalfMoon itself. It's already there, okay? And the hook is what you're going to go through and apply to the chassis of the door here. So when I'm talking in terms of hook and loop, you have an idea of what it is that I'm talking about. So there are there's more than enough hook material that he sends to go through and cover what's going on. Now, it's clear that when he tailored this, that he did it exactly to the perimeter of this weather seal that goes all the way around the opening of this door, okay? And you can use that to match up exactly how this is going to go through and fit onto the back, 3/5 here of the door. Now, keep in mind, this is made so the tailgate itself stays closed, all right? It's just so the lift gate here can open up and then you can go through and control your privacy or your mosquitoes, your pests, that kind of thing here with this privacy screen in that. So a couple things to note here in installing this. First off is make sure the channel is nice and clean. This is what I did, okay? You can do whatever you want to do. I used some Clorox wipes to go through and wipe down the entire channel and get all the grime and stuff out of there, because realizing this is a rain channel that this actually, no pun intended, Rain Dean, but this is a rain channel that this actually attaches to on top. So there's going to be a lot of dust and dirt and things like that up there. You want to get that all off so you have a good attachment, a good adhesion with the hook material that you're going to be using on that. And then the alcohol wipe is going to go through and remove any residue, any kind of grease or residue left behind by the wipes or any wax or anything that way. It'll make that take that down to the metal and make a really good adhesion attachment for the hook material to go on there. I didn't attach it to the weather stripping, and the weather stripping goes through and it clamps on basically around a metal flange that goes around the top of that. And then it has kind of a rubberized plastic stripping that goes through and seals it to the vehicle, okay? And probably not a good idea to attach the hook tape to that, okay? One, it's going to be messy and gooey if we try to go through and have to take it off and reapply a new layer of tape onto there. And secondly, there are just durability issues as far as if you're taking it off, you run the risk maybe of pulling off the weather stripping, which really is no big deal because you can just pop it back on there. But the more you do that, the looser it becomes and so on. So make sure that when you're attaching the hook part, that you attach it beyond the weather stripping and onto the actual metal of the vehicle. Second is it's good to go through and get this positioned to where you can kind of tack it on and then go through and do all the placement of the rest of the hook material in this, which is what I did. I did one here and one here. It has a center one as well. I did that one third out of putting all this together, and then I just went down the sides and installed that. Now you'll notice that the strips of the hook material, okay, are twice as long as the width of the loop material. So I cut them in half, and still makes a really solid attachment to the back of the vehicle. There was only one instance when I didn't do that. I didn't cut it. I used the full length, and that was here on the driver's side, on the left-hand side of the vehicle, and here toward the middle on the tailgate, here on the back, okay? Everything else kind of tailored together really nicely. It's put on there now, and I think this is a nice little product. This privacy screen rolls up, and these 2 retainer straps with some toggles at the other end will hold that up out of place. If you're looking for something that's after the original install, that's easy and quick to put up, it doesn't take a whole lot of space within your car, that'll give you some privacy and some protection as far as mosquitoes and the like, the HalfMoon by Rain Dean will fill the bill for you.